Alright, so today I wasn't really going to make a video, but I get to this job, it's an RTU, and I have a blown fuse in the middle. I found that already. I already turned the breaker off because as I'm moving this around, you see my terminal? It's moving. So let me verify I got the right breaker. I know my RTU works. I just wanted... This is more to show some guys things to look for, because it's not always what we like cut and dry, or it may not even be a problem. I got no voltage there, so I'm good. I got no voltage there also, so I'm good. Alright, so like I said, this one tight, this is loose, this is tight. So now I have two things right here. It looks like somebody tried cranking away, but they probably never tightened that. So let's grab a 1/4 inch bit out of the bag. And let's just tighten it up a little, because loose connections will cause wires to overheat. You can see from my breaker that it has overheat. So my wire's in my way. Now, I loosen this and get it out of the way. Now we want to make sure our terminal, which doesn't seem like it wants to turn, is tight. But then again, my right arm sucks. Okay, so this is going to tighten on the wire. Alright, so now let's get this back in. But we don't want it moving. The problem is I believe somebody has stripped it. So I'm gonna have to order a new disconnect. Feels like is that somebody stripped it. I can't do this with hold the phone, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna take the door off real fast. Move this in case the door falls on. Let's close it. There's another problem besides this, but first let's address why I have so much discoloration on that wire. I should have, when I had this out, just kept bringing it out. I'm just killing this thing right now. Yo, that just stinks. Alright, now I'm gonna pull the whole thing out. You don't want that in the way. 1/4 inch. Oh, you guys fell. Sorry, I ended up pulling that terminal out, so I got this on the outside. So I don't think I'm going to be able to remove this, but I have to. So alright, well, you know what? Screw this thing. Because right here, I have an extra one, it looks like. So, even here, looks like I have 3 of them on there. I may not be able to use them. But let's see what I could do. Because that just slides on and off. So let's loosen this. And we're off. You guys are upside down. Okay, so now that's off. I apologize about the upside downness. I'm not going to be able to fix it. So now here's my terminal. You can see it looks like it's been overheating and everything. Boom, we're back on. Okay. Get all these 1/4-inch screws I just took out that I keep losing everywhere. Hopefully you guys don't fall over again. I'm having no luck on this video. But this is gonna go in just like this. So this, like this, take this. Alright, we're in. Now let's take our wire. Up and in. Now it's tight. See how discolored the wire is. Now it's tight. So it was just stripped out. Since I'm in here, just goes up a little. It's always good to check. Vibration can loosen them. First part of this is done. Now, the next part is, let's get rid of this. Take a quick look at the fuse. Okay, it's a 40-amp. Other fuses in here are 45s. I don't know if you can see it, I can't see the screen, so. Then you come to the data tag. And minimum circuit 46, 49, 50, 60, power exhaust. I don't have power exhausts on these things, so I need at least a 50. That thing's a 40. So besides the loose fuse, I also have the wrong size fuse. Like, besides it overheating and a loose wire, I have the wrong size. So I brought up 3 fuses. I already know my unit's good. I'm changing all 3. customer bought these fuses because we don't carry these on our truck. Busman's like, well, actually, I'm a liar. I do. It's not in those packages, so for the 40 amp. But I'm gonna quickly install these. Everything's nice and tight now. I got 50s, the right size fuses in here. Another 50. Oh, I grabbed the 60. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back down, get another 50 for now. I'll quickly put this in. I gotta go get the right size for my truck. But for now, I'm not too worried about the 45 since the minimum is 46. Quite as much as I'm worried about the 40 and the loose wire. I almost didn't even make a video here. You gotta realize for every video that I actually make, there is probably 10 to 15 jobs I'm on that I don't make a video for. So this is just, I'm doing numerous calls every day, and I was like, oh, it's just a fuse. But then when I saw that it was more than a fuse, and also will give guys things to look for, and not always think that what you see is what your problem is. Okay, that's good for now. I gotta go downstairs and turn this on. So before I started it up, I lied about leaving the 45 in. Since I went to my truck, as I walked past the boiler room, I got a 50. So might as well put the right size in. Yep. Let me get a better grip. These cheesy plastic fuse pullers. Boom, we're in. Now everything's tight. Close this up. Like I said, I almost didn't make a video on this because I was like, oh, it's just friggin' a boring job. Blown fuse, probably the rainstorm Saturday night caused it to trip. So here we go. We're on. Now I'm gonna use my handy jumpers. I know there's guys that are like, oh, you need different colors for the different ones. Tell you the truth, they all do the same thing. Oh, on off. We blow our fuse. Maybe. So let's start by 2, by 1. I mean, we could even be in unoccupied at this point. G. Where the hell am I gonna get right here? On R. See, the problem with the 40 amp fuse. Just look at, I'm like almost there on this yellow wire. See that? 40 amp and I'm at 32. If I go into 50, I feel a little more comfortable with that. But everything is working good on this unit now, so I'm gonna close this up and get out of here. I got like an hour plus ride. I'm gonna enjoy a nice cigar on my ride, go home, and maybe play with the Astro, or who knows. Peace.